try to get some cheerier fucking footage. Let's get away from the horrible fucking shit that's making me feel frustrated and violated and all of those things that the town and the neighbors are doing. Let's go into our little hidey spot, our private place here, where everything is quiet and wonderful, and tracks going down here that aren't the dog. I wonder if they're deer. A little hard to tell because snow is falling on them. They're deep, so it's a heavy animal. Is this a deer or a coy wolf? I'm guessing due to the size of the tracks, you can't really tell the shape because of the freshly fallen snow, but it's probably a deer. If I had a slew of working trail cameras and oodles of money for batteries, I would obviously be... Ooh, what's this? I think we've got deer back here. There are tracks all over the place. Those are my dog. There's more tracks right here. I think we have some deer visitors. Making sure that this is still a pond. It won't be in the spring, I'll tell you that. It's gonna have a collapsing berm. I haven't gotten all the rocks out of it. Oh no. Oh no, it collapsed. This is not a pond anymore, people. It collapsed. It's done. This is completely flooded out. The whole berm went. Look at that. No more pond. It's just a dry hole. Well, it isn't a dry hole because the spring hasn't stopped flowing, but it's... The berm is gone right here. There is just a cavernous pit flowing right downhill, flowing right to here. And then where's it going? More tracks in the woods. Well, this is horrifying and was predictable. I want to use really bad words right now. I am so mad at this guy for digging this fucking pond on the one day I wasn't here and fucking it up and leaving rocks in the berm after I told him don't ever leave rocks in a pond berm. And now it's not a pond anymore. That was money well spent, huh? If your excavator operator refuses to listen, fire him. Find somebody else or do it yourself. This is ridiculous. Look at this. It's blown the fuck out. Guess who gets to fucking fix this with their fucking time and money and renting equipment? Me. I get to fix this now. After paying some guy. What a fucking... Oh my god. I'm gonna turn the camera off and say some really nasty things about this guy. At least pond number 2 is still a pond. For now. At least it looks like it's still a pond. I don't see any blown out dam breach. It's already being used by, wildlife. If I were better at tracking, I'd be able to tell you immediately if this was a deer or a coyote or a fox or whatever, but it traveled right across the pond and up through where the spillway goes. There are tracks on the other side of the pond. You guys probably can't see those. They're huge. I want to know what those are. I don't have much battery left, but we can see all the little critters. Oh, that looks like a bunny rabbit. Maybe. And another little critter here. We've already got animals checking out the new watershed restoration that I'm doing here, and they seem to be approving because they are all over the place. There are critter tracks everywhere in here. And a crow overhead. I go up the spillway. What do we got? What crossed our pond here? There's some tracks, aren't they? I think those are canine. It's very hard to tell. Again, melting and more snow. That's the same critter who walked across the pond. Wow, check that shit out. That is pretty rad. Wake up, buddy. Nice.